Sparkle Squad. I got Coach Rocco and Jimmy here, and we're gonna each pick one balloon to pop.
And the best part is, every balloon contains a very special surprise. And it just so happens that I am an expert at this game, so why don't you just stand aside and let the master do his work. Ooh, boy.
Now, I hope this game doesn't get too messy. I just finished cleaning this room before you blew up these balloons and put them on the wall.
Yeah, it doesn't get messy, but Coach Rocco, please let me concentrate. This could be the most important decision of my life. I have to pick the balloon with the best surprise.
Remember, no messes.
I know, I'll clean it up later. Sheesh. All right, this calls for the Jimmy Pickaroony. That's it. This is the one. This is the balloon with the very best surprise.
All right, Sparkle Squad, if you want to see what Jimmy gets in his balloon, give me a big thumbs up.
3, 2, 1, pop!
Oh boy, what's it say? What's it say? Yes, popcorn time. This is my favorite surprise of all. I get to have all the popcorn I can eat. Okay, popcorn, come to Jimmy.
Is that enough popcorn for you, Jimmy?
What? I didn't even get to eat any. It's all over me. I'm on the floor. No, come on, do-over. I should get a do-over.
Well, here's another surprise for you.
What? Aww.
Remember, I said no messes. All right, now that Jimmy's done cleaning, it's Ellie's turn.
I wonder which balloon I'm going to pick this time. I think I'm going to pick this blue one of my favorite colors.
3, 2, 1.
All right, it says that's the animal. And it says I have to put on a blindfold.
Awesome. I was hoping that you would pick this one. Here, you go put on the blindfold while Coach Rocco and I go get him.
All right. I hope Jimmy's not cheating. I'm ready, you guys.
You can't see anything, can you?
Nope.
All right. Take a guess at what this animal is, Ellie.
Okay. Oh, it's fuzzy and fluffy. Must be really cute.
Oh, you betcha. Keep guessing.
All right. Oh, is its head? No. Counting the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's only one animal I know that has 8 legs. A spider!
Can you believe that she ran away just because of an itsy-bitsy little spider? What a scaredy cat.
Jimmy, I got the fuzzy creature you wanted. Oh, there.
All right, now it's Coach Rocco's turn.
Ooh, I'm so nervous. I pick that one. It looks lucky.
3, 2, 1,
go!
It says, dress like Jimmy.
Oh,
This is gonna be fun.
Look at me, I'm Jimmy. I'll do a spinnerooni. Hey, what's going on
Wait,
here?
Coach, you gotta turn it around like this.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Hey, throw me that b-ball over there.
You ready for some b-ball, Jimmy?
Hey, that's my basketball.
It's mine. I'm Jimmy, and I'm the bestest b-ball player around.
Oh, come on, I sound nothing like that.
And I'm gonna win the balloon challenge. Uh-oh, all the popcorn is
All right, that's it. This round is over. Cut, cut, cut.
But Jimmy, come on! All right, now it's back to Jimmy. Get to poppin'.
You bet. Why is Coach Rocco still wearing my clothes? Is that allowed? Ellie, is that allowed?
Hey, orange looks good on me, and besides, this is
No, it
comfortable.
looks way better on me.
Look
It
at
is
how
my
it
color,
reflects on my
obviously.
skin.
Okay, guys,
It's fun.
break it up, you two. Come on, Jimmy, you get to pop a balloon. Let's go.
All right, I pick this one.
Good choice.
3, 2, 1.
Where is it? What's it say?
surprises.
3 surprises? That means I get to pop 3 more balloons and get all their surprises. It's the best one in the whole game. Read it and weep, you two. Time to get poppin'. Oh, finally. I hope it's something messy.
Oh, I'm a bit nervous, but here I go. Which one do I pick? That one.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
What is this?
$100 Roblox card.
$100 in Robux? No way! But you don't even play Roblox. Give me that.
Give that to me.
Come on, Coach Rocco. You don't even play the game.
Now, can I get a new jumpsuit with this? I need this.
Anything you want. You can get a new house, a new car, a new pet.
Which one of these balloons has another Roblox card in it? Is it you? You? I'll find you.
Now, I'm really gonna wow them when I get my new jumpsuit. I'm gonna get a metallic one, and I'm gonna jazzercise.
All right, everyone, good game, but what do you say we wrap it up and call it a day?
Hey, wait a second. It's supposed to be my turn now. I'm going to pick this one.
Ooh, I can't wait to see how this game could get worse for Jimmy. Popcorn falling on my head, gooey string, Coach Rocco stealing my fashion sense. This game is the
All
worst.
right. Pipe down, Jimmy. 3, 2, 1. It says I'll be teaching the spinnerooni.
Of course. I can't do the spinnerooni. She gets it.
You know what? I think I'm gonna get this to my best friend who loves doing the spinnerooni, Jimmy. Now, which one of you is Jimmy again? I'm kidding. Here
You
go,
mean
Jimmy.
it? Oh, boy.
Yep, spinnerooni right there.
Wow, this game has been terrible, but no game is so bad that a little spinneroonies can't fix them. Let's see. I'll take this one. All right, so to do the spinnerooni, first you're gonna wanna dribble a couple times, spin around 3 times, like so, and then spinnerooni!
Awesome! My turn. Spinnerooni! Whoa!
All right, now I'm gonna go spinnerooni.
Oh!
I made it.
Not bad, you two. Needs a little work, but we'll get